Today, let's explore our menu label reports. This feature is designed to help you compare the nutrition facts of your recipes to each other, making it easier to manage and optimize your recipes and different menu offerings. To get started, click on the Menu Label Report button located on the left sidebar. Once you're in the Menu Label Report section, click on Create Menu Label Report. Name your report and include a section title. For our example, let's create a dessert section. Now, choose your recipes from the list by searching for their names. Specify the desired quantity and measurement unit for each recipe. After selecting your recipes, click on Continue. You'll now see the caloric range for your report, along with a display of nutrient values. To further customize your report, click on Customize Nutrients. Here, you can disable desired nutrient fields in your report. You can also rearrange the order of your nutrients by clicking on Rearrange Nutrient Order. And that's it. Enjoy creating your customized menu label reports with FoodLabelMaker.